Intrigued by the next frontier in fashion technology? From digital fashion to the future of AI trends, join us on this exciting journey as we bridge the gap between technology and style. Find out. Welcome to the 360 Fashion podcast, where you'll get the week's top most important news items in the realm of fashion and technology. I'm your host Anina's AI, from 360 Fashion Network. I read hundreds of news items from fashion, augmented reality, virtual reality, wearables, robotics, textile innovation, and futurism every day. I choose the most critical items to summarize for you, saving you time so you can focus on your business. Listen and subscribe to receive this roundup regularly. Now let's jump right into it. First, a close look at the BMW i5 Flow and its color-changing body. The BMW i5 Flow, an electric variant of the 5 Series sedan, takes personalization to an electrifying level with a body capable of changing colors thanks to e-ink technology, originally seen on e-book readers. Boasting an unparalleled 1,349 sections of individually controllable laser-cut film, the i5 Flow presents a palette much richer than its predecessors, now including a variety of vibrant colors beyond shades of white, black, and gray. Its color and pattern scheme pays homage to the 525 IE34 of BMW's 12th art car, a masterpiece by South African artist Esther Malang, melding automotive innovation with artistic expression. Drawing parallels with fashion, the i5 Flow's adaptability ushers in a new realm of dynamic style choices. The technology's crisp, instant color transformation echoes future fashion possibilities, where clothing can change color and pattern at a touch, enabling wearers to adapt their look on the go with the same ease as this groundbreaking vehicle. News source, BMW News. Hu Shiguang launches new collection during the 2024 AW Beijing Fashion Week, putting spotlight on qipao. Hu Shiguang's 100-piece qipao collection, presented at the 2024 AW Beijing Fashion Week, refreshes a century-old Chinese tradition with cutting-edge design. He infuses Mongolian ethnic details into the attire, showcasing the harmonious blend of distinct cultural narratives. Beyond silk, diverse materials, including cotton, linen, and leather, bring haute couture closer to a wider audience. This move democratizes high-end fashion and encourages the exploration of sustainable and innovative textiles. Echoing current consumer trends, Hu emphasizes that qipao can be customized for individual expression and used for various occasions. This idea underscores the increasing value of personalization and inclusivity in fashion. The designs, incorporating creative coding, embossed jacquard, and modern elements such as metallic accessories, suggest the merging of traditional craftsmanship and new technology. This union in Hu's collection exemplifies how wearable tech, AI, and art can meaningfully integrate into fashion, enriching the industry's potential to create personalized, adaptive, and culturally resonant pieces. News source, Yahoo! The future of fashion, exploring the cybertech movement. Excitement ripples through the fashion industry as cybertech fashion trends create waves, blurring the lines between fashion, functionality, and futuristic technology. This avant-garde approach includes tech-integrated clothing and smart materials, offering a groundbreaking visual aesthetic that exceeds traditional design expectations. Cybertech fashion is not only about captivating looks but also about merging innovative technology with practicality. The creative incorporation of connectivity, health monitoring, and enhanced utility into these designs reflects this philosophy, bringing an extra layer to how we define fashion. The realm of sustainable and ethical fashion receives a futuristic twist with the rise of cybertech designs. Innovators of this trend are incorporating eco-friendly materials and production methods, echoing a broader industry-wide attention to environmental responsibility and ethical manufacturing. The evolution of fashion, through the prism of the cybertech movement, highlights the transformative power of digital advancement, namely AI, AR, wearable tech, and robotics on the industry. This evolution offers valuable insights into the future of fashion, where wearable technology doesn't just complement our outfits but serves a broader purpose, fluidly combining design, function, and sustainability. News source, Social News. Fashion for the disabled and a virtual platform for changemakers are top stories of the week. The revolutionary project Designability aims at transforming the fashion landscape, creating accessible and adaptive clothing specifically designed for persons with disabilities (PWDs). The initiative focuses on making wearable fashion more inclusive, marking a stepping stone towards equal fashion rights for all. Social Town, a virtual platform founded by Nia Nuruddin, seeks to empower changemakers in the social impact segment by fostering connections, opportunities, and pathways for social development. This digital solution highlights the power of connected ecosystems in marching towards more inclusive societies. Kuldeep Ambedkar, defying his hardships, extends support to students facing educational barriers through his NGO. His inspiring journey manifests the power of concerted efforts in transforming lives and underscores the potential of education for societal empowerment. In the context of fashion, these stories underline the immense potential of technology, AI, AR, robotics, and wearables in making the industry more inclusive, connected, and socially responsive. Be it creating adaptive clothing using tech tools for PWDs, leveraging AI or AR for educational initiatives in fashion technology, or utilizing digital platforms to connect fashion tech entrepreneurs worldwide, technology is revolutionizing the landscape of fashion and driving it towards a more equitable future. News source, Your Story. Meet Aitana, Spain's first AI model, who is earning up to $10,000 a month. Aitana, the first AI-created model in Spain, is making waves in the digital world with her compelling visual aesthetic and virtual interactions. Earning up to $10,000 a month, she demonstrates the lucrative reality and immense possibilities in the domain of virtual modeling. From projecting a flamboyant pink-haired persona to featuring diverse brand collaborations, Aitana's creators carefully craft her virtual life, underlining the convergence of artificial intelligence, creative design, and social media influence. The appeal of AI models goes beyond their 24/7 availability and ability to embody brand values consistently. For industry players, they also represent a cost-effective and pragmatic solution to some of the challenges posed by traditional influencer marketing strategies. In the realm of fashion, Aitana's success offers foresight into the potential integration of AI and digital personas. As fashion industries continue to navigate the digital era, virtual models like Aitana could redefine fashion campaigns, runway modeling, and clothing designs, bringing about a paradigm shift in how we understand and interact with fashion's visual representations. News source, Euronews. Feng Qianwang and Susan Feng join our pop-up at ComplexCon Hong Kong. Leading fashion creatives Feng Qianwang and Susan Feng have made their mark at ComplexCon Hong Kong with an exceptional augmented reality AR pop-up that captivated attendees, showcasing an immersive fusion of high fashion and advanced technology. AR technology's full potential was exploited in this collaboration, featured in a pop-up setting that demonstrated how it can elevate users' experiences, bringing garments and designs to life in an interactive and enticing way. Windowson, another prominent brand in the mix, reinforced the forward-thinking spirit of the event, fostering innovation in retail experiences by providing consumers with engaging, tech-focused fashion presentations. This event embodies fashion's digital transformation, where AR, AI, and wearable tech are no longer fringe elements, but have begun to form the industry's core. Tech-integrated events like ComplexCon Hong Kong serve as trailblazers, encouraging the innovation of design presentations and shopping experiences, ultimately reshaping the fashion industry for a more futuristic and immersive era. News source, Jing Daily. Valentino's longtime designer Pacioli announces his departure from the brand after 25 years. After 25 years of dedication and creativity, the renowned creative director of Valentino, Pier Paolo Pacioli, announced his departure from the brand, marking the end of an era. Pacioli's bold creativity and infusion of contemporary romance strongly influenced Valentino's aesthetic and global brand image. Joining Valentino in 1999, Picciolo evolved from accessory designer to co-creative director and, eventually, to the leading creative force of the brand after Cherry's departure to Dior in 2016. His journey bears witness to the power of passion and vision in shaping a fashion brand's identity. Pacioli's departure unveils a new face for the Valentino brand that is anticipatory of a new creative organization. This shift highlights the dynamic cycles of change and renewal common within high fashion houses. From a fashion tech perspective, such high-level transformations can open up opportunities for integrating pioneering technologies such as AI, AR, robotics, and wearable tech into the fashion process. The shift might pave the way for unprecedented collaborations and intersections between traditional high fashion craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology, propelling the industry forward in the digital era. News source, Times Union. Here are the week's top news. If you want to get more fashion tech news items of the week, check out our new podcast 360 Fashion or go to 360Fashion.net, podcast or search for it on your favorite podcast platform. Don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss our latest episode.